Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to make a portfolio website using WIX. So first, open your Google Chrome and go to wix.com. As you can see here, the home page. Now from here, all you need to do is click this Get Started, and you will directly go to this page where you need to have to sign up your account. You can put an email password, or you can directly go continue with Google or with your Facebook account. Now, once you've done right here, you'll be directly here on My Sites. And then to create, just click this Create New Site. And from here, as you can see, you'll be asking here what kind of website are you creating. You can select here Online Store, Portfolio, Blog Consultant, Technology Company, or you can search to find the website type. But from here, I want to choose this portfolio, then click on next. Then here asking you again, what would you like to call your website? So from here, I just want to call it my portfolio, then click on next. And here, as you can see, what you want to add to your website. So currently, I just checked this chat, Instagram feed. And because this is a portfolio website, just want to add this portfolio and then click on next. And right from here, you will directly go here on the next page, start setting up your website. You have two options. You can actually begin with a template, customize your website, or get a custom built site using an AI. But for this sample, just want to click this begin with a template. And the next page here, pick the website template you love. So you have a bunch of templates here that you can use for your portfolio website. So I just want to go here on the second page, and you can also preview the website if you want. For example, you just hover your mouse on the template and you have two options to edit or view. Same here on the other templates here. Now from here, I just want to click this edit. So I just want to edit this website here. And then just wait for a few seconds, and then a message shows up here saying let AI write your site content. You can just add some details, type of site, then name of site, and let AI generate your website. Then at the left side of your screen, you'll find some options: add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. Then you can also, for example, you want to change the background, just hover the mouse over the website, then click on Quick Edit, and then an option shows up here at the right side of your screen. Then just click on Change, and you have three options if you want to change to a plain color, image, or video. So for example, you want to change to a color. So you're free to choose some color here for your website, or you want to choose this image and go from here, media from WIX, and here is the edited background. Now, if you want to change the text on the header, all you need to do is click that one and just, for example, just want to edit this with the channel name, for example, Fast Fix. And once you've done here, as you can see, you can now preview your work. Here on mobile view, you'll find the mobile view of your website. And once you've done right here editing your portfolio website, just click on preview and you'll find your website on a mobile view or in computer view. So that's how you basically making portfolio website in WIX. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.